Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. Depending on what you might want to do with your WordPress, there are often times when you would want to make changes to individual pages on your WordPress website, or maybe change the whole website if there was a need for you to do so. One of the easy ways to do that is the WordPress page builder. There are several WordPress page builders on the market. One of them is Divi. You can get yourself a copy of Divi at fetchprofits.com/Divi, and it's an excellent way to make any changes to your WordPress website as needed. And you can make changes to individual pages. As you can see on the screen, there is a home page which you can make changes to, or you can get to individual pages such as the blog page here and make changes to that as well. You can change the layout, you can change the colors, you can change how and what is displayed on your pages at any time. Depending on how you want to present your website, you can make all of these changes. I'll show you an example of how this works with Divi specifically here. With Divi, there is what is called as Divi layout packs. This comes as a part of Divi's subscription or a lifetime membership. You have all of these layouts and they are categorized here. Just as an example, I could actually click on education here as a category. You will see all of the layout packs that are available for education. Let's say the learning management pack, and now you'll see that this particular Divi layout pack comes with an entire set of layouts for each page of your website. So you have a pricing page here, you have a marketing page, you have a landing page, you have a contact page, so that you can pick this entire set of layouts for your website. Now I picked something similar. This is the kind of a Divi layout that I am going to go for, and all of these things can be changed. And the way you change them, after you have installed Divi theme and you want to make changes to this page, click on the top right menu. You have what is called as enable visual builder. If you click on that, it's Divi switches to the Divi designer. So let's say I wanted to add a section here that talks more about my courses or talks more about my coaching. I could easily do that by getting to this particular section, clicking on this plus icon and clicking some kind of a section here that I want to add. For example, I could add a full width section here. Let's say full width portfolio, or I could go back. This is how it works, and you can visually create. So let's say I wanted to make changes, preset that's already there for a data visualization course. Just click on this little item here, click on this gear icon and make changes to the image here. Make changes like that one at a time and make all of the changes, add content. So let's say I wanted to add content to this part, click on this gear icon and make changes to this content here, and also make changes to the heading, the text, the sizing, the spacing, border and animations and so on. So I could make changes to any section, any element within a section, and I can also change complete layout. So let's assume that this is not the home page that I want. Actually use another layout. Click on these three dots here at the bottom, and when you do that, you have this little plus icon, and if you click on that, you have what is called as pre-made layout. If I click on pre-made layout, the same page that I showed you at the beginning of the video shows up, and if I click on education, all of the themes that are related to education will show up. So let's say my home page, I wanted it to be something else like this tutor layout, for example, or the language school layout. I could just click on it and choose the home page for that. And this is how the home page looks like. If this is what I want to start with, I could just click on use this layout. It will now ask whether you want to override your existing content, override existing content, and it will override everything that's on the page right now. This is how Divi helps you do that. Now, this is something similar that you will see with Brizy as well. Brizy also has a plugin that can help you redesign Shopify pages as well. Or you also have WP Astra, which is great. You can also take a look at Elementor. So all of these are great options depending on your budget, depending on your use cases, and use these WordPress page builders to significantly cut down on time, resources, and the effort it takes to try and make changes to any website. I would highly encourage you to take a look at WordPress page builders. If you don't want to use any of these WordPress page builders, you also have a way to build what you want with the Gutenberg builder that built natively into WordPress now. Build out an entire web page or set of pages using just Gutenberg block builder, as it's called. If you like this video, please do like and share this video. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.